Oh, my investment. Ọnụ obi m. Onye ihe na-amasị m. Ọ dị m n'obi. Oh, Adando jare. Nwanyị ka ibe ya, ọ dị be eze. Ọja na-awala eze. Igolo nwanyị ọma. In my next life, even if you're a twin, I will still choose you. If you're in between, I will still choose you.
Oh, Dogu, you're so in love.
Which love? That one that used to fade. As our love is not enough. Listen, I'm not just in love with you. I respect you. I understand you. I will support you. I prioritize you. I will always buy you wig. Asa, you're ready already. Let's go and paint the town red, eh? Asamo, clock it in them, Madam Beke. After you, please. After you, please. That's it. That's it. Ah, neighbor.
Eh?
How you doing now?
Well done.
Neighbor, you know see my wife?
I see, I know you understand, so I see.
Yes, yeah. The thing is that you did not compliment her looks.
Madam, well done.
Yeah, I know see her gown is so fine, Abi.
I see the guy, madam, well done.
Neighbor, you don't see her hair. I buy 3 million naira. I hear say your sister did line of hair. I don't know whether it's original.
If you buy 3 million, it will be original now.
Yes, original hair. My investment. Neighbor, you know, greet my wife. Oh. You don't tell her say don't they go.
But don't hear now, just now.
They go. I can sense chicken tune in your voice. Ay, asapa moto biko. Apundi no she ya no bi hini no me.
Neighbor.
Let's have it.
After now, neighbor, I beg, may I follow you go junction now?
Okay. But 1 minute, I might take permission from my wife, eh?
Wait, now make I go junction, I want to take permission from your wife, neighbor.
It's not your fault. You know you're a single man, so you can't relate. Being in love, juju. When you're in love, it looks like a juju something. Yes, being a simp and being in love, they usually look alike, but they're not the same.
Jesus.
Yes, let me take permission in 1 minute. Asa, we'll give her a lift.
Sure, baby, sure.
Sure, baby. What is sure, baby? Come inside. Yes, come inside. Small, eh?
How?
Small.
What?
No, but you should get single.